In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first reach Settings, then find and select Security, and here click on Fingerprint. Now confirm your pattern. If you don't have one yet, you need to create a new one. And now just tap on Setup. Your fingerprint sensor is located at your power button, so just turn the device around. Here you've got the fingerprint password, and just place your fingerprint on the sensor. Just keep tapping until it's fully added. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so just click on Done to finish the whole operation. And from now on, you will be able to unlock your device either with this pattern that you had, or smoothly with your fingerprint password. So this is it. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.